Today we're replacing the antenna base on a 2013 Ford Fusion. Note that this is for 2013 through 2016 Ford Fusions, and if you've ever owned one of these cars, you know that these whip antennas do break off in car washes and you end up with something that looks like this on your rooftop. Not wanting to pull the headliner down, we found a really nice paint matched replacement antenna through a company called visualgarage.com. This comes pre-matched to the color of the car. It actually has a small connector which is supposed to screw into the original OEM spot for the antenna. More on that in a second. The instructions are pretty cut and dry. Basically, you just want to dry wipe, and if your car's waxed, you definitely want to do like a secondary wet wipe. In this case, we used Dawn dish soap and some water to get the wax off the car, and a final prep of some alcohol. After removing the rest of the plastic from the original antenna, we found that the screw-in portion was probably still on the original whip antenna in the car wash. With that, we had to go out and change out the connector so that it would fit the spring that was remaining on the original antenna. To speak to tools that you will need for this entire job, the only thing you really need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, maybe some cleaning cloths, and the cleaner that they mention in the instructions. In this case, we used Dawn dish soap and some water, and definitely some alcohol to prep the surface. But we wanted to include this wire stripping and connector change out in the video in case you run into the situation we had. From there, we marked the front and rear of the antenna, and then we stood at the front of the car to make sure it was lined up with the length of the car. Once we had that done, we went ahead and pulled the backing off of the double-sided tape, and from here it was installation time. And we have the connector in here. So now I'm going to hold this up. So can I rotate it up like this?
Yep.
Okay, so here's that. And here's the single hardest part. Definitely going to need some eyeball in here.
There. Forward.
Oh, hang on, I think the front, there we go. You got it? Here, I'll let go, there we go. And it says do one of these deals for 60 seconds. And we'll see you in 60 seconds. Call this a shark fin installation. Looks pretty sharp. I'll come up here just for effect. Here it is. Pretty cool looking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.